Google Ads has various types, and which one type is necessary or good for your business, or which one you should use, or which one is right for you. In this video I'm going to tell you about. So Google Ads, for those who don't know, Google Ads is an online advertising platform by Google through which you can advertise or promote your products and services online on google.com, Google Partners, Google search directories, and all of the properties owned by Google, and all of the properties which are being participated through their Google AdSense publishing program, and you can advertise on them through Google Ads. Now the question is, which one is right for you? So let's move on to the types of Google Ads, and then we are going to discuss about. So let's move on to, let's say for instance, this is my Google Ads account. Just for knowledge, I'm just going to log into my account. For instance, if I log into the MCC account, and for instance, if I create a new campaign here, for instance, any account, if I select through it, the purpose is to just show you, although Google here shows you A types you want to create on sales, leads, website, traffic, product construction, product, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visits, or create a campaign without a goal guidance. But this is not Google ad types. These are the objectives of the campaign. So I just wanted to show you them. So I wanted to see you are actively watching my video or not. So let's move on to the Google Ads types, and I'm going to show you which are the Google ad types and which one may be good for your business. So move on to them. So the number one type is responsive search ads. With the Google search ads, you have two types of ads. Number one is a responsive search ads, where you can see you can create a responsive search ad which ranks on the keyword you search. For instance, you can see the store. If I use a store in it, every keyword will automatically change through it. And how I can do it? I can do it through dynamic search ads, which will be the ad number type number 2. But right now I'm just showing you this is a responsive search ad. The second ad type is dynamic search ads, which automatically changes with the key with the query you search. For instance, your query will be the ad title of the keyword. Often you have seen that big groups like Alibaba, Amazon, or different groups, their ads are automatically being changed with your query. They are actually using dynamic search ads, which actually this is not possible for every keyword to create a customized ad. They use a dynamic search ads. Personally, I do not recommend creating a dynamic search ads. I personally recommend creating an SKAG ad. SKG means single keyword ad group, where I suggest a different ad for each keyword. Single keyword ad group, different ad for each keyword. Number third type is display ads. Display ads are being shown on Google partner websites, Gmail, YouTube, and people using Google search on their website, and you can advertise on through them. There are different styles. For instance, there are different like 336 into different images sizes. You can use it commonly, which I remember as 160 into 600, 728 into 90, 468 into 60. Even there are some ad link units as well, and through which you can participate in Google display ads, and through that you can show your ads. Another type is ad promotion ads. This is ideally only suitable if you have a mobile app which you wanted to promote on Google Play Store. You can do it through app promotion ads. Ad number 5 is video ads. Video ads are only being shown on YouTube. There are 2-3 ads. One are skippable ads, in-stream ads, non-skippable ads. There are different types of ads on YouTube. Another ad type is Google shopping ads. Google shopping ads are for those who want to sell their products online. Also Google search ads. Even I was using Google search ads and Google shopping ads simultaneously for a client. It all depends on the personal preferences. You can see the ad product shopping ads, they have images along with the reviews, and they are much more personalized. So if you have a specific product, physical product, I recommend trying Google shopping ads as well. For that you need a Google merchant account as well, so that you can upload your products on Google. The next type of ad is local search ads. Local search ads are ads customized for local areas. For instance, if I wanted to search for electronic store near me, you can see the ads here. If for instance, if I have to search, for instance, let's just imagine, let's say if I have to search here, let's say if I have to search restaurants, and I'm going to see restaurants near me, and if someone is actually advertising on the keywords like these local keywords, I'm going to be seeing local search ads on them. So for instance, in this you can see the first ad is an ad, and the second, third are actually organic results. Another ad type is call only ads, ideally for those who are looking for calls, leads, or they are looking for where they think that they can convert better on calls. It's suggested for them to use call only ads, and it's good for quotations, banking forms, application forms, leads or queries. It depends on what kind of a type you are promoting services. Even with a plumber, where local search ads are good for plumbers near me, sometimes there are call only ads are also good for them as well. And the last type is the local service ads. Just like local search ads, you also have local service ads where you can promote different services and show your ads with reviews and services and top things about you. So I hope you like my video on Google ad types, because people are often searching on which ad type is right for me. So I just shown you with pictures and some practical data on what kind of Google ad types we have, and what type of is right for you is all up to your personal preferences. I try to discuss few of them. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comment section. And I also suggest you to watch my playlist on Google Ads, where I have explained and created different Google Ads tutorials. I'm also available for Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and SEO services. You can hire me and my team for these things. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.